Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're walking through a 2024 226 Sailfish dual console at MarineMax. As you walk up into the boat, you're going to notice a couple awesome features. First is going to be your swim ladder, going to be to starboard, storage to port, and you do have all beautiful non-skid here, so when you're getting in and out of the water, if it's raining out, you're getting on and off the boat, you'll be able to be good there. The 200 Mercury V6 is on here. As we come forward, you have a shower wash down, your running light, the rod holders across the transom with a ski tow. Big old live well back here. If you're fishing, gonna be perfect to fill this up. It's got the blue liner in it, aerating. If you are not a fisher, great trash can. You can rinse it out by filling up the live well there. Big seat back here. And then you have this awesome port sides configuration that kind of breaks out into a couple different things here. You have, your full bench out here, but by popping up this flush mount backrest here, you have a forward-facing bow seat, you have an aft-facing lounger here, and then under all these seats here, starboard side included, you do have all insulated and draining coolers. So if you look here, that is a huge cooler spot there. Really nice, really good storage. If you're putting life jackets on there, you don't got to worry about anything, water staying in the compartments or anything like that. Rear corners have nice big scuppers, so if you do get some water over the gunnels there, it'll be able to drain right out. Seacock access is also back there. Another cooler here, like we were saying, but you also have a backrest that pops back in here. So that creates another good seat. Up at the helm, you've got the Garmin screen, Fusion audio, Bennett trim tabs, and the Mercury digital throttle and shift with the electric start and active trim. That's also standard in there. Beautiful diamond stitch seating at the helm chair there. You've got the swivel knob steering wheel, makes it easy around the docks. A beautiful white frame windshield, and your coverage is provided by this beautiful stone bimini top that's completely removable or collapsible, or obviously in the open position here for sunshade. You have a head to port, good storage down there, and then as we move to the bow of the boat, you have your second table mount, which I didn't mention the first one. You have one in the rear as well. You have storage under both of these seats, anchor locker up front, 2 cup holders, 2 Rockford Fosgates. Good stereo, good sound. Great flare on this boat, great running boat. Good storage under the deck here is this form of the ski locker, and under the helm to a door. This one's in stock, guys. We just got it brand new hull by Sailfish. You get any questions about this, any boats in stock, if I can't answer them, I'll get Sailfish to get the right answers for you, and we're more than happy to get you out on the water as soon as you're ready. We get great promos, great specials going on. Right now, boat show season has started. So every promo that's going to be available at the show is also available now. All right. Give us a call down here at MarineMax Danvers. We're at 10 Hutchinson Drive, right off of 128. My name is Adam. Mike's here. We got Ryan helping us out with the internet and everything like that, receiving phone calls and internet inquiries. So don't be shy. Reach out. One of us would love to get back to you. Give me a call, 781-635-8684. We'll talk to you soon.